ready for fitting the new system. Hello. Okay, so you're with Nick, and I am currently having the system fitted by Megan. She has made me look something like a monk, but don't panic. It doesn't last long. Even though I'm getting used to this monk look. It's pretty much how I used to look before, actually, Anyway, so I've had my head shaved all over, around the sides. See if I can show you the back. That's extreme, isn't it? So, a nice trim, as you would normally have at the barbers or hairdressers anyway. Nice and neat at the sides. That's going to blend in really, really well. And shaved on top, and then this is the guideline that Megan has drawn to ensure that she'll be able to get the glue to just the right place at the front of the hair system, and obviously not too much glue ahead of the system, below the system, so that it's not all over the place. And she's just taping up now, and what I'm going to have is tape around the sides and the back, and just glue at the front, which I'll be able to re-glue when necessary. Okay, so Megan's just preparing the system by taking off the backing from the tape, and as you can see, it's around the outsides there. Last few bits there, so the middle part there doesn't actually get taped, but obviously the front will have the glue to keep that down. Be a very, very solid sort of fixing, if you like, and that will be going on in a minute. Okay, so Megan's now putting the glue at the front and has taped up the system ready to go on. So the glue goes up to about a centimetre above the guideline, which is exactly where the system will go to. So there's none coming down below the system, sort of thing, and it will obviously stick perfectly. And the way we're doing it today, because it's with the tape, it'll just be the front that gets glued and the tape will hold the rest. And I'm sort of new to the tape. I normally have glue over the whole head for the whole system, but trying the tape, which so far I've had it on for a week, so that went well. So we'll see how that goes. And this is the Ghost Bond Supreme glue, and that works well. So that's the glue done. That will now dry and go clear in a few minutes, and we'll be pretty much ready for the system to go on. That's it. So okay, so Megan's just fitting the system now. Yeah. Okay, so the system is on, and Megan's now putting a towel on, making it stick really well. And transformation from a monk to a heavy metal rock star. So the colour's looking great. Megan will now be able to style it and cut it so that it blends nicely and looks spot on. So I'll get back to you when we've done that. So we've got the hair system cut, and Megan is just drying it, and obviously the guideline will come off in a bit. bit longer than last time. Looking good. Okay, so now cut and styled and completed, all fitted the system, so I'll just show you the back there. Absolutely perfect job as always from Megan. Looking good, slightly longer than before and styled how I'll be having it pretty much. So you can see if I go closely, there's no evidence of the kind of lace there. Feels really, really comfortable, very, very solid, and if I do say so, looking good. So thank you, Megan. There she is. Okay, signing out.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.